Okay, I've taken my tea that is still very hot and my sugar, it has lots of sugar in it. I've split it between all three of my jars. It's mostly even. Okay, so we're pretending like I'm just making 1 2-gallon jar. So I normally would probably fill this a little bit higher, but I don't think it's really gonna make that big of a difference, but it might be nicer just for future reference. Maybe do like a 1/2 gallon or 3/4 of a gallon of your tea and sugar syrup. So now what I'm gonna do next is I buy distilled water, not spring water, not tap water, nothing with like added stuff, added vitamins and minerals and all that stuff, just distilled water. So you could do that, or if you want to take the time, you can use your tap water, but you have to boil it first and let it cool completely, because you cannot put your SCOBY in there until this is completely cool to the touch. Otherwise you'll kill your SCOBY. So I recommend just spend the few dollars and go buy yourself a thing of distilled water. I normally don't buy these. The store was just out of the gallon jugs. I like the gallon jugs. It's a lot easier to pour them in. So if you're making a 2-gallon jar, I'd probably buy about 4 gallons just to be safe. Well, maybe a little less, 2 to 3. Anyway, so I'm gonna fill these up to probably around here. You want to leave a decent amount of room because you're going to be pouring in 2 cups of starter tea and putting your kombucha SCOBYs in. So you need that space to put stuff in, and then you're going to cover it with a paper towel or a dish rag, and you don't want the liquid touching the top. So be sure to leave yourself a decent amount of room there. And so I'm going to pour water in, and that is going to cool it off enough that I won't have to wait to put my SCOBYs in.